Let me tell you a story. When I bought my first CNC machine, one of the problems I encountered was I didn't buy a machine big enough. What did I do? What everyone else does. I had to settle for a conventional small bed CNC machine because it's all that's available on the market. Even though it wasn't big enough and didn't give me the flexibility I needed to help me make money, we did it. We had to set large parts up 3 or 4 times to get all our machining done, along with tons of downtime doing vice changeouts and setting up new jobs because we could only have one job set up at a time. So here at FlexCNC, we've changed that. We've solved those problems and want to help customers make money with their CNC machine. Bottom line, conventional CNC machines on the market cap out with a 10-foot machine bed, $250,000 budget. Anything bigger, you're looking at $500,000 to over $1 million for a complicated machine. So what did we do? We designed a machine that solves those problems. We're building and delivering a 25-foot long vertical machining center for less than $200,000. We're not limited by size. We offer a ton of flexibility. We've simplified the controller so anyone can run the machine. We've eliminated machine downtime and made it possible to achieve 100% spindle uptime. FlexCNC is designed to help machine shops and fab shops make money. Don't make the same mistake I did and be limited by a small bed. Size matters.